Now, China is offering Africa another set of goodies, this time around in trade. Its duty-free access to its market for African products starting December is considered by some as a game changer for the continent in its quest to industrialize. But haven't we been here before? The US and other Western countries have made similar offers to selected African countries for some products in the past. So how different is China's offer, and does Africa really stand to gain? Welcome to the flip side. In a major push to deepen economic ties with Africa, China has now granted duty-free access to 100% of products originating in 33 African countries. This means that cost barriers for African goods entering the Chinese market will be significantly lower. It should also make the overall prices of African goods competitive and give exporters more opportunities to penetrate the vast Chinese consumer market. For some analysts, the arrangement is long overdue.
If you look at the volumes of import that we do from that corridor, it's massive, billions of dollars that we buy from China. It is only fair that they also create an access for us for their market. This is exactly what they are trying to do, so that we can also produce and send our wares to that corridor.
China wants to expand market access for African agricultural products and deepen collaboration in e-commerce. African governments are in support of this, especially since China's imports of agricultural products are already on the increase. In the first 7 months of 2024, the Asian giant imported $3.58 billion worth of agricultural products from Africa, a 7.2% increase compared to the same period last year. With this widening of access to the Chinese market, are African businesses actually ready to take advantage?
Why not? Because mostly it's the barriers that are created that impedes Africans from trading. Some of the requirements and all that, if they ease some of these requirements and then also ease the tariffs and all that, why not? When an opportunity is created, the onus lies on African leaders to take that opportunity and create the enabling environment for its business people to do what is needful.
In principle, the US has had a similar plan to boost economies in Africa. But its long-standing African Growth and Opportunity Act, or AGOA, has come with many challenges. And then there is also the African Continental Free Trade Area, or the AfCFTA, which is yet to realize its full potential. So how should the continent position itself as the interest by the West and China peaks?
Even though each country would have its priorities, we must find synchrony, try to synchronize some of the things, because we are all primary producers. We are all growing crops, we are all raw material exporters, cotton, cocoa, coffee, and things like that. So we have to come together, try to synchronize our interests. We have the AU. We should not be going to China, every country going to China, when AU can represent Africa. So we must give AU the necessary teeth to bite.
And that's the flip side.